This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quiz on Typeform. Start by signing into Typeform and selecting a quiz template, then name your quiz and set basic settings like language and privacy. Decide scoring rules and feedback for correct or incorrect answers, then add sections to group related questions. Preview often and test scoring logic with sample responses before publishing to ensure the flow and totals work as expected. Design your quiz with clarity and flow in mind, using clean language and consistent formatting. Use images sparingly to illustrate questions without distracting users, and apply branching logic to tailor the path based on answers. Group related items into sections and use progress indicators to set expectations. Regularly preview on mobile to confirm readability and spacing, then adjust question length and media placement for a smooth respondent experience. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans efficiently with voice control and smart mapping, freeing up time to build better quizzes. I found its hands-free convenience great when I needed focus for question writing, and its performance is impressively consistent. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set clear scoring rules and map each answer to a numeric value so results calculate automatically. Determine pass thresholds such as 70% and craft customized feedback messages for score ranges to motivate learners. Use conditional outcomes to display next steps based on results, such as review materials or certificates. Test with several sample responses to validate scoring, feedback, and any integrations before sharing with real participants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.